Knowledge Nexus.
What if I told you that a single technology could write essays, compose music, and design code like an expert? Imagine a tireless creative partner, an infinitely patient tutor, and a brilliant co-pilot for nearly any intellectual task, available 24/7. This isn't science fiction. It's a reality unfolding right now, reshaping our world. This technology can draft a legal contract, then create a stunning piece of digital art, or explain quantum physics in simple terms. Welcome to the world of generative AI. At its core, this technology doesn't just analyze information, it creates something entirely new. Think of it like a master apprentice. It studies vast datasets of human creativity, words, images, and music to learn the underlying patterns. Then it uses that knowledge to generate novel content that is contextually relevant and often astonishingly creative. It's the digital ghost in the machine, finally learning to paint. While the technology has been developing for years, the world had its watershed moment in late 2022 with the release of ChatGPT. Almost overnight, a niche concept became a global phenomenon. Its conversational fluency and accessibility captured the public imagination like nothing before, feeling like a direct line to the future. The resulting explosion of creativity and debate echoed across every industry. But ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. It's one star in a rapidly expanding constellation of generative tools. AI models can now produce photorealistic images from text, compose original music, and write and debug software with superhuman speed. This explosion of AI creativity is putting powerful new tools into the hands of artists, scientists, and students. But how does it actually work? What does this leap mean for our jobs, our creativity, and our society? In this deep dive, we will demystify generative AI. We'll explore the core concepts, showcase its applications, navigate the complex ethical questions, and look ahead at the future it promises. You're watching Knowledge Nexus, where we bring you insights on books, self-growth, and groundbreaking tech. If you're ready to understand the forces shaping our future, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our community of curious minds. Now, let's get started. Brief history. OpenAI's GPT models, ChatGPT launch in 2022, explosive adoption, 100 million users in 2 months. Comparison with past tech revolutions, internet, smartphones. How ChatGPT went viral, accessibility plus usefulness. Simple explanation, AI that creates new content, text, images, music, code. Examples, ChatGPT, text, DALL-E and Midjourney images, Suno AI, music. Why it's different from traditional AI, not just automation, but creation. Productivity boost, automating emails, coding assistance, research. Education, personalized tutoring, language learning, exam prep. Business, marketing content, customer service, faster innovation. Creativity, writers, artists, and filmmakers using AI as a co-pilot. Healthcare, medical research, drug discovery, patient assistance. But with great power comes significant challenges, and it's crucial we navigate them with our eyes wide open. The very tools that promise to build a better future could, if mishandled, pose profound risks to our society. First, the challenge of misinformation. Generative AI can create fake news articles, hyper-realistic deepfake videos, and convincing scam emails at an unprecedented scale. These aren't the clumsy fakes of the past. They are polished, persuasive, and can spread like wildfire across social media, eroding public trust and making it harder than ever to distinguish fact from fiction. The very fabric of our shared reality is at risk when anyone can generate evidence to support any claim, regardless of its truth. Next, there's the economic disruption of job displacement. While technology has always changed the job market, the speed and breadth of AI's impact are different. Roles centered on content creation, data analysis, customer support, and even coding are being transformed. The question isn't just which jobs will disappear, but how all jobs will change. This shift demands a massive effort in reskilling and upskilling our workforce, forcing us to rethink education and career paths for a future where human-AI collaboration is the norm. Perhaps one of the most insidious risks is bias and the ethical dilemmas it creates. AI models are trained on vast amounts of data from the internet, data that reflects our own societal prejudices. If the data shows historical bias, the AI will learn and perpetuate it. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes in critical areas like hiring, loan applications, and even criminal justice. We are essentially building systems that can automate and scale up our worst instincts, making the development of ethical AI frameworks a paramount concern. Beyond the societal risks, there's a more personal one: over-reliance. When we outsource our thinking and creativity to machines, what happens to our own abilities? If an AI can write our emails and generate our ideas, we risk the atrophy of our own critical thinking and creative muscles. It's the GPS effect on a grand scale. We might get to our destination, but we lose our innate sense of direction. We must be mindful to use AI as a co-pilot, not an autopilot, ensuring it augments our intelligence rather than replacing it. Finally, all these challenges are compounded by a significant regulation gap. The technology is advancing at an exponential rate, while our legal and regulatory systems move at a linear, deliberate pace. Lawmakers are struggling to answer fundamental questions. Who owns the copyright to AI-generated work? Who is liable when an autonomous system causes harm? How do we protect individual privacy? Closing this gap without stifling innovation is one of the great tightrope walks of our time, requiring a global conversation between technologists, policymakers, and the public. We stand at the precipice of a new epoch. Generative AI is not just another tool to be added to our collection. It's a fundamental paradigm shift, a revolution in how we create, communicate, and even think. Much like the printing press democratized knowledge and the internet connected the globe, generative AI is poised to redefine the very fabric of our reality. We've journeyed through its architecture, marveled at its capabilities, and now we must confront the profound implications of its existence. The story of this technology is still being written, and every one of us holds a pen. The promise is breathtaking. We've seen how it can act as a tireless research assistant, accelerating scientific breakthroughs in medicine and climate science at a pace previously unimaginable. It can be a boundless muse for artists, writers, and designers, democratizing creativity and allowing anyone to bring their most ambitious visions to life. In education, it offers the potential for a truly personalized tutor for every student on Earth, adapting to their unique needs and unlocking their full potential. This technology is an amplifier for human intellect and ingenuity, a partner in solving some of our most pressing global challenges. The future, therefore, is not a predetermined destination we are passively heading towards. It is a landscape we must actively and consciously build. This requires a multifaceted approach, a collective responsibility shared by all. Developers and corporations must move beyond mere functionality and embrace an ethics by design philosophy, prioritizing safety, transparency, and accountability. Policymakers must work to create agile, forward-thinking regulations that protect the public without stifling innovation. Educators have a critical role in fostering AI literacy and critical thinking skills, preparing the next generation to be not just users of this technology, but informed and discerning citizens. And for the rest of us, our role is to stay curious, ask hard questions, and demand better. Navigating this new world requires continuous learning and open conversation. That's our mission here at Knowledge Nexus. If you found this exploration insightful and want to be part of this ongoing dialogue, please help our community grow. Hit the like button to let us know this content resonates, share it with friends and colleagues to spread the knowledge, and most importantly, subscribe and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll join us for more deep dives into the technologies, books, and ideas that are shaping our future. Thank you for watching.